Hi, this is a series. I'll put the link of the first video into my description. Hi, in this video I'll show you how to build the fence, one of the most important components of a table saw. This one has a grip, has quick clamps, and I've built in some extra features as well. Don't miss that all, watch the whole video, have fun.
If you haven't done so yet, then please subscribe to my channel and press the notification button, and you'll never miss a video again. Now we will build the fence, one of the most important pieces of this table. Here you should work very precise, so that your cuts will be accurate and thus turn out perfect. I use only rest pieces for most of the parts. First, I cut a board which serves as a guide for the fence. I'm clamping the guiding board on, and I'm marking myself the position of the T-slot. I'm creating myself something like a flat washer for the clamp. I need these as the screws are too long and I otherwise can't tighten the board with the quick clamp. I glued two little boards together, then filed it until it was round. Let's see if it fits. For the handle, I will glue two old spruce boards together. After the glue dried, I will now draw a handle on it. Saw it roughly together. And mill it out with my table router. Please take care of your fingers here. Do this slow and cautiously. For the actual fence, I cut myself the boards in the needed length and width. Additionally, I cut these triangles together that serve as stability. Before the fence can be finally mounted, it has to be decently aligned. Go ahead and measure several times here. The smooth side should face down to reduce friction. Out of this piece of metal, I will create a scale which will show the distance from the fence to the blade. At this line, I will bend the metal by 90 degrees. Just put it into the clamp where the line is and push. So, to align the fence, you just have to pull it up to the blade. Then on your measuring scale, you can draw a line, and that is your 0 point. The thickness of the blade has to be taken into account. That means you have to add half of the blade's thickness to the 0 point. As you can see here, the fence has some play at the end. I will deal with that now. This board will prevent the fence from moving. Take care that the smooth part is facing down. With this construction, there's absolutely no more play for the fence, and your cuts will be absolutely straight. Next, I need a shelf for the table. Now I must mill this slot. Why? I will tell you that in a moment. Okay, here we go. This is the slot. And what is it for? Well, I'm gonna put into the slot this U-profile aluminum piece. But what is that for? Well, for example, for an angle stop or for a sled table. And that's why I need another slot on this side, which has to have the same distance to the blade as this slot. Something else that is very important when you do this profile has a height of 15 millimeters. So when you use your router, you should set it a slightly bit deeper at the end so that your workpieces don't get hooked up when sliding over the table. And another thing that is very important, be as accurate as possible. This is just as important as the fence. Because everything, or as more accurate as you are, the more accurate your pieces are going to be when you saw up your stuff. Don't forget about that. I'm milling the second slot in 2 steps. That conserves the router.
So I'm finally done. The table saw is ready to use. I must say I'm very happy with the outcome. The fence is easy to move. With the toggle clamps I can lock it quickly. I get clean cuts and the table extensions are very helpful. Next I'll build a table sled and an angle stop, but that is for a different video. If you like this one, I would be happy if you would subscribe my video, subscribe my channel of course, and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to push the notification button and you won't miss any further videos. That's all from me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.